In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user-specific secrets to GitHub Codespaces. If you're working with sensitive information like API keys or tokens, it's crucial to manage these securely. GitHub Codespaces provides a straightforward method for handling such secrets and making sure they're only accessible within appropriate environments. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this effectively. First, you'll need to open the GitHub Codespaces secret settings. This is where you'll be managing all your confidential details. Once you're in the settings, you should see an option to add a new secret. Go ahead and click on New Secret. This will prompt you to enter a name for your secret, which could be something like OpenAI API Key. The key here is to use a name that clearly indicates what the secret is for, so it's easily identifiable in the future. Next, you'll need to enter the value of your secret. This could be an API key, a token, or any other sensitive data that your application needs to function. It's crucial to make sure this information is accurate, as any discrepancies can lead to your application not functioning as expected. Once you've entered your secret, you'll have the option to select which repositories can access it. This is an important step in managing your security, as GitHub allows you to control repository access per secret. You can limit the access to specific repositories that need this piece of information, ensuring that it doesn't end up where it shouldn't be. Let's go through an example together. Suppose you need to create a secret for your PayPal client ID. You would enter the name PayPal client ID, and for the value, you might enter something like ABCDF123456. Similarly, if you also need to include a secret for the client secret, you would create another entry with PayPal client secret and input a value such as XYZ98764. Once these values are added, they become available only to your Codespaces sessions for the repositories you've approved. This means that only the code running in those predetermined spaces can access those secrets, helping you maintain control over who sees this sensitive information. The next step is to ensure these new secrets are recognized by your codespace. After creating or updating any secret, you must restart your codespace. Begin by stopping your current session. Once it's stopped, go ahead and start it again. This refreshes the environment, ensuring that any newly added secrets are loaded and ready for use. This step is vital because the secrets are integrated into the session at the startup, so restarting is necessary to incorporate the changes you've just made. And there you have it, a straightforward and secure way to manage user-specific secrets in GitHub Codespaces. Remember, handling sensitive information responsibly is a key part of safeguarding your applications. Keeping these practices in mind will help you maintain a secure and efficient development environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your projects running smoothly and securely.